Alrighty, fellas and fellettes, welcome back to the Hot Damn Racing Team. If you're new here, welcome. Alright, before I get started, yes, the truck is super dusty. It is too hot to come out and clean it up and wash it up. Alright, there's plenty of time to do that this year when it cools down. Now, anyway, just to get a short story quick story short, shorty story quicker. Alright, anyway, why did I choose a Moe's Performance HPT cam? All right, that's because the description of that cam totally fits my application. All right, so I have a 6-speed, it has 392 gears. All right, it came that way. Some people say that it didn't. They keep on saying I have like 321s, 355s and whatnot. It's 392. All right, it came with 392s. All right, I get it. It's an express. It's 390 deuces. Alright, that's how that works. Alright, sorry for rambling along. The camshaft's description totally fits the description of this truck. Alright, 100 shot of nitrous. We run a nitrous, ported throttle body, long tube headers. Alright, where else am I? Oh, 3K torque converter. Alright, so stall set for 3. And that's inside of a 65 RFE. Alright, so if you got a 5.6 speed and 392s, this cam is for you. Right? That's kind of how I'm going with this. Alright, yeah, that's it right there. Alright, basically what I'm trying to do with the cam, alright, is not go out and set a record, but I'm going to prevent that cam lifter failure deal. Alright, because I am spraying nitrous and I want to spray a little bit more. Now, I'm not putting the cam in right away. Alright, it's not just the cam. You got a bunch more parts, valve springs, lifters, rods, right, a whole bunch of dilly-dallies. You also need lube. Check this out. You know what, Matt at Moe's Performance, he's badass. This is funny. This is funny. Oh, hot damn hell yeah, that's funny. If anybody doesn't know, I went out one night drag racing, alright, at the Las Vegas Motor Speedway, and I tackled my throttle body with a nitrous backfire. It actually probably wasn't nitrous at all. I don't think the nitrous was spraying and I was just flooding the intake manifold with gas. Alright, and then when I let off and this closed, alright, that gas ignited and it needed to go somewhere, and surprisingly enough, it went out, bent this plate. This plate is tough. I tried to bend the plate back when I was out there, you know, so I could drive home. I mean, I still was able to drive home. It was really weird. I had to gas it hard to do it, but that's the story of the taco deal. I tacoed my throttle body when, you know, maybe this piece should have exploded. I don't know, but that just kind of shows how tough that is. I don't know, at least on mine. You know, it was good for me. It was a lot easier to replace a throttle body than it was you know, this whole deal, the whole intake. Alright, oh yeah, a whole lot easier. Alright, so I guess I can appreciate that. Maybe not cheaper, but easier. Alright, so the cam fits everything I need. It's going to, right, I already eliminated that the bolt deal, right? The header bolt's breaking. Luckily I had none broke when I replaced the headers. Alright, so my next deal is what's the common deal? The cam and lifter failure deal, you know, and I might as well get some more power out of it, you know. And I wasn't just gonna go for a cam. I needed a cam that fit my application. All right, that's what I suggest that you do. Don't just run out and buy a cam. Don't just run out and buy a torque converter. Right, you need those deals to fit your application. Everything I'm doing, all right, I'm trying not to just run out and purchase. All right, you don't just want to run out and get at it. All right, hot damn. All right, now I really got to cut it off right there because I'm just gonna keep rambling. All right, just gonna keep rambling and keep talking about my truck. That's not what I want to do right now. All right, these wires hanging out. It's gonna be, guys, your gourd is blowing right now. I get it. All right, these wires are here. I've been, you know, kind of dissecting things. The nitrous is getting tucked and all the wires are gonna be tucked back there. These were all covered, all right, before. I'm starting to pull stuff apart, and this is a project that's gonna go on for a couple months. All right, I got the solenoids, all right, back behind the windshield wiper cowl deal. Alright, bam, you see them there. That's the nitrous purge solenoid and the nitrous solenoid. Alright, that doesn't have to be there. I got a longer one, but I think I kind of like it right here just for the hidden factor. Alright, and let's see here. Gas solenoid's gonna stay there. It hasn't want to move since I installed it, and I'm not going to move it now. Alright, I've had, you know, most of my troubles with the gas or the nitrous and the purge solenoid. So anyway, I'm getting everything, all the wires, everything. This big line used to stick out. Alright, I still got to tuck it down some more. It's kind of difficult. Got the heat wrap on the line, so I'm going to have to either undo all this so I can pull this slack out. It's a lot of work, man. These trucks, all right, when you're getting into this, it's a lot of work. A lot of people like to show you, and that's, you know, kind of how I am too, the end game and not the process during. You know, I could have done it right the first time, but like I was saying, I haven't never done it before, even one time, to be able to know how to do it right the first time, because I'm doing it myself. All right, so now, you know, I've kind of observed and seen what other people are doing, you know, such as Matt Fecack and whatever, and now I'm going to try to do it the right way. All right, so I know the nitrous works now, so I'm not worried about the wiring anymore. All right, so that's the deal. All these wires will be tucked and gone. You won't see them. All right, and it'll be a full nitro bang cam, full bolt-on, whatever, blah 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 truck. All right, hot damn. Sorry for rambling. All right, main deal here was, why did I get a HPT cam? And it's because it's for my truck. You know, this truck isn't the first truck that has done this before. All right, so the cam is there. It's because it's already proven. All right, hot damn.